from Astoria, Palawan. The water park is like really nice as well. It's big. The water park number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Velocity and vortex water slides. There's like a surfs up pool, St. Paul River ride, tumbling bucket zone, marine sanctuary, Batak misters, and a picnic area. And there's also like premier villas, and there's like and for the canopy or the reception area, there's an information. There's like a complimentary tourist, so I'm going to ask them. Yeah, let's just wait. Hi everyone, so this is the welcome drinks, and there's like a mini puto, or I'm not sure about this one, but it tastes good. This one is also tastes good. With the map of Astoria, I wrote already what are like the important details, like the free access for video, okay, free access to the water park, and then for the kayaking, and for the fire dance later at 7 p.m, and for the discounted dinner, and also for the discounted spa massage. Amazing. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Alright, we're going now to our room 279. I don't know if I should wait or not. I got the key card already. I'm not sure if I can go directly or not. Matthew, can I just go direct to my room, or should I wait for someone? Or maybe I should just wait.
It's raining.
Okay.
Golf cart may take a while.
Okay, so I'll just sit here.
Walk, it's just
It's not too far, right? If I'm going to walk. Okay. So where is like the way?
just take a sightsee.
Okay. So this way, right?
This way.
Okay. Then I'll try. Bye bye. See you later.
Thursday.
Yeah, thank you. So here we'll just walk. This is like the way. So we can also see some the laundry room. Damn, wow. And then how much further you may use the laundry room. I'm not sure if it's like for free or not. Is this for free for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Like
Yes, but this is for drying service.
for drying, okay. And then where is like the washing?
For the laundry, sir, we do have it for additional charges.
For additional, only for the drying
Yes,
part.
the
Then
drying
maybe I'll just wash it in the room and then can I do that one? Yeah, thank you. 8 a.m. to the nice drying service. And then this is like the nest 109. And then that is like the welcome. Wow. Look at the clouds. This is like the mangrove. It's like a conventional landmark Philippines. Okay. Let's keep on walking, and yeah, I can see it there already. so many birds. 8 hectares, imagine. That is like the parking. Oops. There's like a car or a golf car. Strictly 10 kilometers per hour. And it's coming. Oh yeah, that's the bus. We're going probably to the villa. And here we are. This is where we're going to stay. Here we are. I'm not sure. 186. Dryer room. Oh, we can also use that one. 185, 180, 279. So it's on the second floor. Let's use the stairs. Watch your step. So here we are. Wow, it looks nice. 285. And my room number is 279. Here it is. Welcome to room 279, the alcove. Now I'm gonna use the key card. Where is it? Here's the key card. Ah no, there is my ID. Where is the key card? Oh, I think it's in my bag. Here. Yeah, it worked. And hello. Hello. Is it voice activated or what? Okay, here. Oh, I have to insert the card. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. So, first of all, I'm here, 279. Before, I was given like 204, but I don't know where it is. I think it's on the other building. And this is the spa. See? 279. That is my room. And yep, first the toilet and bath. Amazing. Look at that. The shower is like, yep, everything's nicer here. There's also like a vanity kit, shower cap, dental kit. Yeah, toiletries. That's me with a bag. Nice. And there's also like a telephone for emergency calling. Now I can put my bag here. What is this for? I'm not sure. I think it's locked. Okay. Tidy up. Privacy. Pets is not allowed. Okay. And this is the, I think, a mini kitchen. Yeah. We have a sink, microwave here. And good thing that the water is like really nice. There's plenty of water here. Yeah, amenities. Tea and coffee. And then here, okay, nothing under the sink. Oh, there's like a fridge. And nothing is inside, but it's working. And this is like the bed. I'm the only one here. And I've got this kind of bed. Crazy, right? It's like really crazy. Oh, air blower. The laundry, slippers, yeah, safety, and an umbrella. And here, like a big hanger, bedside table. It's really crazy. There are like two double beds. And then what is this? Enjoy your stay. Allowance reach. Oh, insect repellents. Bug repellent. Okay. Thank you. And then smoke-free resort. Telephone. Lights. A holy Bible. Here, nothing. Here, nothing. Oh, the bed is like really nice. Good. Amazing. And here, nothing. Okay, blinds. That's it. It's so crazy. It's like really big. Yeah. Amazing. Okay, so that's the tour. And now let's prepare for lighting the fire, dance the dinner. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.